Mayfield 2 equipment. So we recently replaced all of the old Mayfields with all these brand new pretty ones. The nice thing about the new ones is that when they go down to sterile processing, they can actually go through the washer instead of being hand washed. So sterile processing is happy about that. So we still have the old bed adapters for now. These will eventually be replaced, but this is going to be the first piece that you need. So this bed adapter here, usually they have pink or red screws on the bottom. Those are going to be for your Mizuho beds. The ones that are black are going to be for your Steris bed or your Amsco beds. So we have a Mizuho bed here. So the first piece that we're going to do is take this head piece off. So we unscrew these black knobs at the bottom. The whole headrest will slide out. Again, the first piece in then would be your Mizuho bed adapter. So these slide right on in. And those same black knobs you use to engage and tighten that down. Okay. So from here, your next piece would always be your base frame, which is the large piece that always has the gold handle on it. So when I put these in, I usually just try to think of pointing that gold handle down to the floor, which will allow you to put it in the correct way. So these slide, they make a great noise, right on in, and then you would turn these pink or red knobs to tighten that down. Yep. After that, you would want to use a swivel adapter. So our standard swivel adapters look like this. They're called swivel adapters because they literally swivel. This is what you're going to use most of the time. The only other option would be to use a TriStar adapter, which is what Dr. Tanaka likes to use for her craniotomies with BrainLab, because they can attach that BrainLab arm to either side, which gives them an extra 2 or 3 inches to work with. So you can see there's a small face here, which fits onto this small face, not the large one. So you stick that screw in, and then the black knob will turn to tighten that down. Yep. Next piece would be then your skull pins, which we have here. A few things that are different. One, instead of having to pull the pin like we did in the old ones, now you can just engage that button there, and these will slide open and close. When you set these up, you'll stick your 3 pins, 1, 2, and 3 with betadine, so they're ready to go. Only thing is to make sure that this screw here, a lot of times when you get them from sterile processing, they kind of look like that. What you want to do is make sure you turn it so that this flat part of the screw meets up with the skull pin. And then it's ready to go. So your surgeons will pin the patient first. Then they're going to probably ask you to tighten down and hook up all the Mayfield stuff. So whichever way your skull pins are, usually probably something like that. We'll pick this piece up. This attaches right here. You always want to tighten everything from from top to bottom. So this one here would tighten first. And then your next one down is your black knob, so tighten. And then to finish it off, you'll just engage that gold handle, pulling up on it. And then everything is nice and tight. So just remember, always tighten from top to bottom. I always think tighten, top, T. To loosen them, you have to pull this silver handle down first, and then push the gold handle. Then you can loosen your next one, and then finally loosen your top one. Yeah? Nice. The only other option would be to put a horseshoe on this instead of skull pins. So Here's our horseshoe. Same thing, it has a large star adapter right here. So you're gonna stick that in. Again, we'll tighten from top to bottom. One, two, and then a third one. There you go. Perfect. Yay, it's our Mayfield.